Hey guys, this is Harry Jack and welcome back to my channel. As you know, London is a great place for business but also for entertainment, and there are always premieres happening here. Today we are at the Glass movie premiere and we're gonna try to spot the stars of the movie and try to get closer of what is happening here. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. Right now, I'm in front of the main entrance where the actors are going to come in. However, everything's closed. People are working some glass project. It's pretty exciting.
Definitely a character like Elijah that I do like. And he's complex and interesting guy.
Please put your hands together for the fabulous Anye Taylor. Ladies and gentlemen, taking on the role of Dr. Ellie Staple in Glass, please give a huge London welcome to the awesome Paulson!
Thanks for watching this video and I hope you enjoy it. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification button for more.